Now, come to QuestionsTube to get the Dell EMC D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions to prepare for your Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification exam. We have completed the real D-PM-IN-23 exam questions with precise answers, which will be your right resource for learning, and you will pass your Dell PowerMax Install 2023 exam quickly and easily. Even if you have no prior experience with the Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification exam, these Dell EMC D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions can guide your preparation and provide you with insight into the exam structure and content. You may focus on the Dell EMC. It has released most new certifications and exams to upgrade its program structure. Also, QuestionsTube has released most new Dell EMC exams with actual questions and answers for learning, including the Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification. This certification covers PowerMax family storage arrays installation. It requires passing the D-PM-IN-23 exam successfully. The Dell PowerMax Install 2023 exam D-PM-IN-23 focuses on articulating features and functions of the PowerMax family storage arrays, explaining the architecture, and performing product installation using appropriate management tools. The real D-PM-IN-23 exam contains 30 questions, which need to be answered in 90 minutes. The passing score is 63%. All the questions will cover the following topics: PowerMax family concepts and features, 10%. PowerMax OS X hardware concepts, 17%. PowerMax OS X install, 46%. PowerMax installation and upgrade, 27%. Come here to choose the QuestionsTube. We provide you with the Dell EMC D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions that focus on the recent exam topics that allow you to prepare for your Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification exam. The D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions are the most excellent resource for anyone looking to prepare for the Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification exam due to the top features as follows. Real exam questions with precise answers. The D-PM-IN-23 practice exam of QuestionsTube contains real exam questions with precise answers, which cover the latest exam topics. The actual D-PM-IN-23 exam questions will give you a solid foundation for the Dell PowerMax Install 2023 exam. PDF format and ICE testing engine. The D-PM-IN real exam questions of QuestionsTube can be read in a PDF format, which can be easily accessed on both PCs and mobile phones. Also, the real exam questions can be read in the ICE testing engine, which simulates the real exam mode. Free updates for getting the latest questions. At QuestionsTube, you will have choices for updates. There are 3 choices for you, including a 3-month free update, a 6-month free update, and a 12-month free update. You can choose as you need. With the D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions, you can achieve 100% progress in your Dell PowerMax Install 2023 certification exam preparation. We have free exam questions online, which can be your demos for checking Dell EMC D-PM-IN-23 real exam questions. 1. Which software tools are essential for upgrading a PowerMax 2000 and 8000 array? Choose 2. A Solve Online, B Procedure Generator, C Procedure Generator, D Simplified SimWin. Answer: BD. 2. Which of the following is true about the cabling in PowerMax 2000 and 8000? A. Both models use identical cabling configurations. B. PowerMax 8000 requires more complex cabling due to its size. C. PowerMax 2000 uses exclusively wireless connections. D. Both models require manual cabling for all components. Answer. B. 3. What is a primary consideration when planning PowerMax 2000 and 8000 rack installations? A. Ensuring compatibility with older PowerMax models. B. Maximizing the number of DAEs per rack. C. Balancing weight and power distribution. D. Choosing between horizontal and vertical rack configurations. Answer. C. 4. During PowerMax 2500 and 8500 installations, what is the role of the install script? A. To guide the physical installation process. B. To automate the software setup and configuration. C. To provide firmware updates. D. To manage user access and security settings. Answer. B. 5. How many SPS modules are in an 8-node pair PowerMax 8500 system? A2, B16, C4, D8. Answer. A. 6. When a PowerMax system is kept in a cold and dry environment during transit, how many hours should the system be acclimated before installation? A16, B8, C4, D6. Answer. C. 7. In terms of system connectivity, what feature is exclusive to PowerMax 8500? A. Front-end host connectivity. B. Multi-controller architecture. C. Enhanced bandwidth for data transfer. D. NVMe over Fabrics, NVMe of. Answer. D. 8. Which component is unique to the PowerMax 8500 model compared to the 2500 model? A. Dual inline memory modules, DIMMs. B. More powerful CPUs for each director. C. NVMe solid-state drives, SSDs. D. Fiber channel host ports. Answer. B. 9. What is a key benefit of PowerMax's end-to-end NVMe architecture? A. Increased storage capacity. B. Lower power consumption. C. Reduced latency and higher throughput. D. Improved data security. Answer. C. 10. How does the simplified Simwin tool assist in PowerMax installations? A. It automates the configuration process. B. It provides real-time error logging. C. It is used for physical cabling verification. D. It manages power distribution units. Answer. A.